Okay, so now we'll look at number 2 on page 501. Okay, so we're using the same diagram with Jose. It says one-stop gas and food is 3 3/10 miles past the city pool on the way to the hospital. One-stop gas and the city pool. Oh, okay, so they're saying between the city pool and the hospital, there's a one-stop gas and food. How many miles does Jose drive to get to the one-stop gas and food to the hospital? Okay, so really what they're saying is I have the city pool, and the hospital. They're saying this distance from this map is 4 2/5. But now they're saying that there's a one-stop gas and food, and this is from the city pool 3 3/10 mile. And then it says how many miles does Jose drive to get from the one-stop gas to the hospital. So they're looking for that. So the total distance from here to here is 4 2/5 mile. This distance is 3 3/10, and that distance is x. So two ways to do that. You could say 4 2/5 minus the 3 3/10 is going to be equal to x, that distance that we're looking for. Another way to look at it is 4 2/5, this total distance, is equal to 3 3/10 plus x. If you solve this equation for x, you would have to subtract 3 3/10 from each side. Those get canceled. I get 4 2/5 minus 3 3/10 is equal to x. The only reason why I did this is because that might be a question they ask you if they're going to ask you for what expression would you use to solve for that distance. Okay, so a little side note. So here, again, I can do 4 minus 3 plus 2/5 minus 3/10, and that's going to be equal to x. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then I have to do the times 2 over 2, so that's 4/10 minus 3/10 is equal to x. This is 1/10 plus 1, so it should be 1 1/10 mile. So it should be number 4.